Hello guys, this is How to Social and today I'm going to show you how you can link your credit card to your PayPal account. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you're logged into your PayPal account, just like I am, and on the main menu of PayPal, what you want to do is click on wallet right here next to send a request on this blue bar. Once you've clicked on wallet, it should take you to a menu looking similar to this. And here you can click on link card, and once you've clicked on this, you have to enter your credit card number, the type of card that you have, expiration date, security code, and your billing address. And once you've done that, the card that you added should show up right here. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.